Oh my god, I was so waiting for this one. Tomica Limited Vintage. Very hard to get in Europe, but I'm going to tell you where I got this one. I got it at Tom's Model Auto's in Purmerend, in the Netherlands. It is the biggest diecast car store in the world, and they have a website. And I'm going to leave a link in the description to the website, and I'm also going to leave a link in the comments. Yes, 164 skill, I like that. Tomica Limited Vintage, a very good quality. I did a couple of reviews from their models, but this is the first time I'm doing a review about a Tomica Limited Vintage bus. Hey, side mirrors. Thank you very much for letting me know. Barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. And some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it, if you can read it. Let's open the package. Let's not wait any longer. What? It looks very detailed. Packed in plastic. Thank you so much. Ooh, good rolling wheels. And here we have the accessories. Let's get right into the accessories. Some extra light. Oh. So, yes, there is something here. There is something here. And we have this. We have this right here. And we have this. Okay. So here is a hole. It's just one hole in here, so we need some glue. And there is maybe here in the front. Do we see another hole right here? Maybe some here on top. Oh, God bless you. Well, I hope so. Oh, it has a license plate. Oh, I like that. And wheelchairs are also welcome. That's a very good thing. No opening parts. We got the schedule on the side. Yeah, if you're into buses, this is definitely a must-have in my opinion. I like buses. Yes, driver's seat. Can we zoom in a little bit on that? Yes. Okay, let's get into those spare parts and see where we have to place it. Apparently... Okay, an extra part goes on there. And then we have this. And there we have those. Those are coming here? Huh? Where? There on top of the door? But where? Do I have to glue it right here? I have to read this, so back in a sec. So I'm now showing a photo of what it's saying. Yeah, let's do that. Let's find something to cut it. I can use this one. I think that's a good one. And I can also use this one. I think this is, but this one is pretty big, right? No, let's try it. Try before we die. No, I'm going to use this knife. So I have to glue some parts together. Oh. I'm going to place this here, and then I can see what I have to do, and okay. So first I'm going to cut this off. Oh. One. Yes. Two. Okay, and this should be yes, this should be going here, right? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. But there needs to be another part. I don't think that's necessary, in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. Yeah, we had this thing right here for looking down, I think. And I believe this one goes in here or something. But I think it already looks good like this. Then there also needs to be... Ah, yeah, I see it. There is a hole right here. So we're going to get this out. And I think we see this, yeah, something like that. Oh. Yes, okay, and I think this goes in here. Right? Oh, no. What? Doesn't fit? No, it doesn't fit. Have I done something wrong? No, you did good. This is more... This is round. And... I did something wrong? And this is... Okay, so I need to do it like that. Okay, so this part also needs to... Yes. I need to get this off, I think. I hope I'm doing it right. Now I need to... Now I do need this one. Oh, please let it be good. Oh. Oh, I'm such a nope with these kind of things, you know. Nope. Oh yeah, I have to show you on camera. Oh yes. Yes. That's it. That's it. Looking good. I can cut it off a little bit more. See me struggle. I make the mistakes, so you don't have to make these mistakes. Yeah. Okay, now I need some glue. Oh, glue. So I forget about these things. I think it looks cool with only these, and then I have to put these things on. Yeah, I think, but I have two and they only show me one. I think I'm not going to do it. If you are a bus fanatic, let me know where to put these exactly. Do they need to be here? Here or here? Here or here? Let me know. Okay, then we're going to put this right here, yes. And then we're going to place it that's one. And then we have to do the same thing. With this one right here. Oh, sorry guys, I have to do it like this. Whew. Yeah, this is looking cool. I love this bus. Super nice. And the last thing I have to do is make a nice thumbnail. And I got the perfect diorama for it. I do have another bus, by the way, also in 1/64 scale. We'll do a video about both of these, because the other one is over there. I'm not going to get it now, but I will do another video and I compare both of them. This is the one from X-Car Toys. It's an RC, by the way. Super cool bus. And I will compare it with this one. I like the color details inside. I think it's very well detailed. Okay, let's make a diorama. Thumbnail making of. So this is going to be the thumbnail. And I also found this 1/64 figure I got. I forgot about it, but it is very nice. And I got another one. I got it right here. It's from the same set. And he's also a cleaner. Yeah, looks really nice in combination with the bus. I can place them in a diorama and that they're cleaning buses. I think that's a very nice photo. So that photo is definitely coming. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and visit Tom's Model Autos website in the description of the video and the first comment.